In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game King of Fighters 97 on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser and we are quickly going to search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download it. So search up the game King of Fighters, select the game and open the game page. Then scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this game on Steam is €9.99. But don't worry, we have a little workaround to save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Now what you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page and here we are going to search for the same game King of Fighters 97. So after that, sort by price lowest first and then you will scroll a little bit down till you will find the PC version. As you can see, this text is marked green, so this game can be activated in our country. Always make sure this is marked green, otherwise it won't work for you. After that, select the game, and once we have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €7.74 compared to the Steam price of €9.99. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now once you have purchased this game on this website, you will receive a Steam key to activate this game in your own Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye!